Funko Pop addicts, what's good? It's your boy DJ Delz back with a brand new detailed review. You see right here we got the limited edition purple lobster concept Nike SBs right there. I did a detailed review on my other channel, which is just focused on sneakers. If you're into sneakers, especially limited edition ones, check out the review on these. But you already know, you see the title, it's all about the Pillsbury Doughboy, which I got through my dude Graham Chung, one of my Patreon members, a huge supporter of my channels, plural, all the channels that I've done on YouTube, always shows a lot of support, and he was able to score the Pillsbury Doughboy right here, and we came up with a little trade, which was all good, and I got it in hand. I'm looking at it actually for the first time. I gotta say, man, this thing is amazing, and I was lucky that he wasn't really into this. He was just trying to see if he could score it for anyone that wanted it, because, you know, we have a little private feed on Instagram, and you know, we always try to look out for one another. Shout out to everyone on that Funko fam feed, and man, I'm happy to have it. I'm very happy to have this one. This was one I've been wanting ever since I heard the rumors, and I love the pop ad icons. I'm a huge fan of collecting them, and this one is just looking so great. We're gonna take them out of the box, of course. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you're a lifer, you already know what time it is. Bang that thumbs up button for the out of the box look. I know not everyone likes to take the Funko Pops out of the box, but we do that here. So without further ado, let's take the Pillsbury Doughboy out of the box. And there he goes out of the box. Looks absolutely amazing. I love the height on him too. He's actually really tall, and I always love when the Funko Pops are like the right size. You know, sometimes they are small. Getting up close now, you see the hat, see the logo on the hat. Face looks great. The paint is fantastic. Only problem I have is the legs. The legs look a little weird, like the bottom of the legs. Maybe that's how it's supposed to look. You know, I don't study the Pillsbury Doughboy, so maybe that's how the legs are supposed to look. Leave your comments on that. Let me know. There's a look at his side. There's a look at his back. And I'm noticing it has all like the branding and the copyright stuff on his back. Usually see that on the foot of the Funko Pops, but it's actually on his back. And that's just because he has no feet. I also love how on the mouth, it's kind of like translucent right there instead of making it all white. It just looks good, the mouth with the translucent, versus them just making it completely white. So that was a great touch right there. Whoever designed this, good job. Good job. And there you go with a close-up HD look. Thank you for tuning in. Leave your comments in the box below. Let me know what you think of this Funko Pop. Let me know what you think of the icon ads in general. Hot, not, overrated. And I would love to know what you're looking to get next as far as with Funko Pops. Leave that in the comment box below. If you have nothing to say, write, I love Funko Pops. It helps my channel. It lets me know that you watch too. The more comments, the more motivation to just hit the record button and record a new video. And please, once again, if you haven't, hit that thumbs up button. I love seeing lots of likes on my vid. Everyone have a happy holiday and Happy New Year. I'll be back though. I'm gonna hit you with a new video hopefully tomorrow. I've got so much Funko to review, so we shall see what I will review tomorrow. I did a vlog the other day. Definitely check it out. A lot of people have been requesting the Funko Pop hunting vlog, so I did one. Make sure to watch it. Make sure to leave comments. It lets me know to keep filming those too. Because feedback, leave your comments. You want to support the channel, I have my t-shirts. Link will be in the description box below along with my Patreon. Much love. We out.